10:09 in the morning on Sunday, April the 7th. I'm here in Mercedes, that road where that car's going northbound, or truck, that's 491. I'm here at the waterfalls in Mercedes. So it's very windy, but it's warm, not cold, like a few days back when I came. For those that never heard of the waterfalls here in Mercedes, of course this is the Arroyo Colorado that I'm going to be approaching, and these aren't natural, this is just what they call this, the Arroyo Colorado here. Gotta be careful here where I'm walking because it's kind of steep. Believe this might be the third set of waterfalls. I'll be approaching it here shortly. Let me just come over here, then I'll go over there. It's really steep here. Oh, there was a fish that jumped there in the water. A long time ago, this used to be a lot cleaner, prettier too. I wouldn't really say prettier, but nicer to come by. See, somebody's cast net got stuck there. So I'm gonna approach. See how it's really, well, the camera doesn't do it justice, but it's really steep. I believe this is the second set of waterfalls, and there's one more behind me, but there's a car parked there, so I don't want to bother them. Wow, there's an woolly lizard. I should be able to walk this way. Look at the foam. Let me just set this guy here. I don't want to lose him. Oh, it's really steep. I'm gonna cut the video here so I can walk, and then I'll resume. Right, so I'm back. Took me about a minute just to be able to make sure I didn't fall, so that's why I paused the video and left the gimbal there. So there's one of the sets of the waterfalls here at the waterfalls in Mercedes. The other one should be east. Being very windy, all this foam looks like soap. So again, this isn't natural waterfalls. This isn't something really pretty. It's just what this area, the Arroyo Colorado, is called here in Mercedes. I fished here back in the late 80s, and it was already known as the waterfalls. Who named it like that, I have no idea. It's just freshwater anglers.